Imagine the perfect coin. A coin that takes innovative technology like Bitcoin, the global tradability of the dollar, the consistent timeless value of gold, and combines them into one. Meet Aurum Coin, the first virtual coin backed up in solid gold. Our world has changed dramatically in the last decade. Technological revolutions have made borders and boundaries disappear, and companies like Google, Alibaba, and Facebook are turning our world into one global village. But one thing is missing. Our money has stayed behind. It is printed with no backing, too many fees are taken along the way, and the value of our money is decreasing. This global village is not complete. We need one global currency. We need Aurum Coin. Aurum Coin is a digital way to liquefy gold based on simplicity and safety. When you buy an Aurum Coin, you actually buy a digital proof for 1 gram value of gold, stored and insured in professional high-security gold vaults in Zurich, London, New York, Toronto, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Aurum Coin works via the gold standard system, the main monetary system throughout history, in which governments had to back up their money with actual gold. It was good to ensure the value of money, but it prevented governments from printing money as much as they wanted. That's why in the early 70s, governments left the gold standard system behind after hundreds of years, causing our money to lose its value due to inflation and speculations. We believe that your money should keep, and even increase, its value in order to help you fulfill your dreams. Aurum Coin is backed up by gold, a natural element with a finite amount, and so it cannot be created out of thin air like the dollar today. In addition, Aurum Coin is an actual currency and not mere speculation like Bitcoin that suffers from instability because it is not backed up by inner value. Aurum Coin represents stability. One Aurum Coin will always be worth 1 gram of pure gold. Besides market and economic stability, Aurum Coin also emphasizes limited and minor conversion fees, unlike the exorbitant fees that are imposed on the public by banks today. Aurum Coin is the perfect digital currency for online purchases and international transactions. Aurum Coin will be produced in a series of 18-karat gold coins, making it easy for buyers to convert from digital currency to physical currency. Aurum Coin is the money of the people, a new coin that can unite the world, and that is why we chose the international crowdfunding platform for its launch. So, if you believe in one global currency, backed up in gold, that keeps its value, free from exchange fees, support us and get your Aurum Coin today. Together, we can change the world. Aurum Coin. One world, one coin.